there's a bird inside of a plant.
There's birds stuck everywhere in here. Like,
There's a bird stuck up there.
yeah.
There was, but I think he got away.
Watch your faces. It's all right, buddy. Can you see him?
Here. Yeah.
There he goes. Damn it. We'll tell the people, okay?
Okay, can I
Yeah.
show them real quick?
He's in here.
Here he is.
Honey. It's all right, bud.
It's alright, bud.
Let's go walk into those doors. Okay, so we got him and we're gonna let him out these doors right here.
We're letting a bird out the door.
I know, you guys had a bird that was stuck in a flower pot. No, no. Bud, there he goes. Huh? It was stuck in one of those orchid flower pots. And yes, I'm gonna buy this and name it after the bird. We did bring the orchid home. I'm so happy. I thought that bird was gonna have a broken wing, you guys. I was so happy that it flew away. She did poop on it when it was stuck in here. So I will sanitize that and get it all cleaned up. And we decided on the drive home that we would name this orchid bird in memory of the bird that we rescued at Walmart. Happy growing.